Morning, ladies and gents and boys and girls. My name is Dr. Jimmy Henderson. I'm a cognitive scientist and author of the book Critical Thinking. Have a look at my latest book. It explains the processes involved in developing your own critical thinking. You ask yourself, why would I be interested in critical thinking? Well, sometimes you may have thought that that you are being manipulated, deceived, or lied to in the world today, and in fact you are. Most businesses, advertising, media, political movements, and all have agendas. They want to sell you a product or an idea, and they will use different means, psychological means, to actually convince you to their way of thinking or to buy their particular product. And it requires quite a bit of self-motivation, confidence, insight, understanding and common sense to actually see that you are being manipulated and take steps to stop it, especially when it comes to scams and spam. Well, spam is not too much you can do about it. But scams, you can lose a lot of money through online scams and other scams. And you need to be able to think for yourself, to think independently and to think clearly. Critical thinking, this particular book, will help you to become authentic again. It will cultivate mindfulness. It helps you to cultivate mindfulness, to learn to reason correctly, reasonably, and apply your common sense and logical thinking. It also helps you to identify, as I said, these false and misleading information, spam and scams, and be able to avoid peer pressure as well. You'll be empowered to see through deception, scams, dodgy business deals, dubious people with hidden agendas, and all the kind of manipulators that we actually have in the world today. The way you'll do this is I'll help you build your self-confidence and self-insight, as I said, mindfulness, and show you how to think logically and independently. Finally, critical thinking is a tool which helps you to become more aware of yourself as well. The mistakes that you're making, inner contradictions, inconsistencies in your thinking, and become a more logical and reasonable person. So I want to encourage you. The book is available at Amazon and Take a Lot, South Africa, and also as an e-book on virtually all the online sales platforms. And yeah, have a look at my website as well, www.discoveringyourself.co.za, and you'll see the books listed there, other books as well. And I hope that you will accept this challenge to take up independent and critical thinking and be more successful and have purpose, more purpose in your life. Thank you.